shit stink, cousin. Damn. This nigga fucking me up, dog.
Nah, this nigga fucking me up.
Yo, I don't know what's going on. Young boys acting stupid. Both sides.
Listen, I said I pick the earth up and I drop it on your fucking head. If you got that fucking money, well, I fucking need that bread. So I'm fucking coming lay you down like a fucking pig. Or I come through and ransom, kidnap your kids. Or I shoot your grandmom in her fucking head. I don't give a fuck, you about to learn to fucking day how I come through with the 9 or the AK. And now all your fucking goons, yeah, they lay.
Yeah, I said the niggas fucking lay. I come to get spot, best believe it's a payday. I'm taking all that bread, I'm taking all that cake. Best believe it ain't no fake niggas coming big. Shaking big, we going fucking hell, boy. We running up, rolling up, we in hell, boy. We burning up, we get them niggas well, boy. Like, switch it up, we going hell, boy. We going down, boy. We rocking shots, boy. We got them niggas that'll knock your fucking top, boy. Lay them niggas down, they fucking drop, boy. We ain't talking niggas, best believe you drop. Snoring, you fucking sleeping on this track. I got them hollows at your back, pack, nigga. I hit you down your spine. Them niggas dropping dimes. I don't give a fuck, my goonies, they gon' fucking ride.
Hold on, nigga, cause your goonies not riding. Last time I saw your goonies was hiding in the fucking crib. Probably watching Barney, and you in the bathroom, beating your dick on the porno. But I don't care, cause you like Arnold. Matter of fact, you look like Steve fucking Urkel. When I come around, I probably make you do the Dougie. I probably take your bitch, but fuck it if she ugly. I take her to the crib, she gon' give me head. And then I kick her out, air it out like a fan. I tell her just chill, cause I beat it like a man. And then I turn around, heat it up like a tan. It's young hurt, nigga, so you know I got a snap. No fingers on the track, so you know this not a rap. Freestyle off the top, and I do it for the block, and I do it for the hood, and you do it for the cops.
I do it for the cops. I come around the block, the edge, best believe you stop. When blocks hit the top, your wig fucking split. Your bitch on my dick, talking how she want the flips. Oh, fucking dipping from the fucking cops. I run up in your crib, best believe I'm chop. Yeah, I said, put it this way. Snap, you call yourself this. Hold on.
Stop it.
Wait, nah.
I said 6 foot, 7 foot, so you know I'm a grown man. You a little boy, I probably beat you with my fucking hand. You don't need a fucking gun, you don't need a shotgun. Cause when I pull it out, yeah, you probably run. Probably try to run around the fucking block. I probably try to use somebody's phone to call the cops. I be on the block. I be selling rocks. I ain't with the fucking beef. I'm just all about the guap. So I'm getting money, so I blow like a bomb. If I catch you, I'm dropping bombs. Old song. Yeah, nigga, 2012. I think it's the time that I hop on the beat and I spit a couple rhymes. JP, you a bitch. I heard you a snitch. Well, here I'm about to get a shovel and build your fucking dick. Lay you in the ground like 6 feet under, leave a big hole in his chest. Westbrook Thunder, he don't know he fucking with a motherfucking balls. I can take him to the cell, he'll get his solid toss by a fucking OG or by an old head. I be on my fucking new shit, got that old bread, so I'm on the fucking block, probably with my old head. We be stacking fucking shit, and I crack your head if you try to come on my block and you think it's sweet. And I give you mine, hand me, cause I'm talking that heat. Yeah, he noodles, he don't want no beef, cause when I come around, slow ass like Reese. Or I beat him up and I take his sneaks.
6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot. Think niggas think it's going up. Got them pictures at your head, boy. It's kicking to your fucking head at your bread, boy. I ain't talking, best believe I'm at the sig, boy. Just chopping at your head to your head, boy. Don't give a fuck. I got them hollows, best believe them niggas coming up. I zip him up, body bag, stick him up. And no one even give a fuck. It's cash at night, I give him up, boy. It's zombies, we fucking zombies. We fucking riding with them goonies like Muhammad. Toolies on my hip, we gon' fucking hit. Hit your body, make you niggas fucking shake and hit. Don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm a fucking spit. H-U-R-K, nigga, you's a fucking bitch. I ain't talking, got them hollows at your fucking clip. Tight, I got them at your fucking whip. Bullet holes all through your frame, best believe them circles hit, boy. I ain't talking, nigga, best believe you snitching, boy. Got the cops on speed, 911.
I said I'ma get it done, cause I'ma check him off my list. But hold on, before JP, I gotta hit a sis. I'm talking about Jazz. I kinda like her ass, so I told her come over here. I had to call her fast, cause she got a big fucking booty. So I told her throw her back, tell her just do me, cause I just. So I knew he was gonna leave. Oh shit. He don't like nobody talking about his sister.